All right, my beautiful friends. It is Thursday, May 28th, 2020, and here we go. Let's talk, you and me. Come a little closer. Here's what's going on. We just found out initial jobless claims for this lovely week, 2.12 million. No surprise to you, I've been explaining that millions more people are going to continue to lose their jobs, and this trend will continue. Not only that, but durable goods orders literally went straight down. An abysmal number here with regard to durable goods orders. And guess what? Stock futures are higher across the board. The market loves it. The market loves bad economic news. If we would have got good economic news, well, guess what? Stock futures would be lower, but not in this twisted environment. Could you only imagine if we had even the slightest resemblance of a real market where stocks would be right now? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. But in this twisted freak show, this is just the way it's going to play out. Let's talk about a few other assets here. Bitcoin is now just under 9,500. Cryptos are getting bid higher. Gold and silver are higher. The 10-year yield is 0.7. This has been a sticking point here for this market for quite a long time. If we break out over 0.72, 0.73 and remain there for a while without falling back down, mark my words right here and right now, stocks will hit new record highs within short order. But we got to watch that 10-year yield. And look, the rhetoric and the nonsense and the threats with the China trade deal that never was, if they iron that out, you can only imagine. Or if they even float out a fake story. They tried it yesterday with Larry Kudlow. The trade deal is back on. We just got to implement it. I mean, you can't make that stuff up. It's the truth. The market's not buying it. I really feel that finally the market realizes, and people in general realize that, that was just a photo op. There was never a historic deal in any way, shape, or form. And the proof is Larry Kudlow himself. We have a deal, but we got to implement it. It hasn't been implemented yet. I mean, that's the sickness of the environment we are in. Anyway, so that's really the entire situation. So again, not one, but two rounds of abysmal economic news, and it won't stop. Stock futures higher on that. As a matter of fact, look at the 10-year yield. Even some relief in the debt market on abysmal economic news. How does it work? How does that happen? I don't know. But cryptos are up. Gold and silver are higher. Look, that's the nature of what's going on here. You know what to do. You know where you should be putting cash to work here. It can't be easier for you or me in this environment. We should be thankful, honestly. And I am thankful. That's the truth. I'm thankful for everything I have and all of you. And, but all I want is a real market. Is that so much to ask? I am more than certain that all my lions out here, all of you stackers out here, everyone that's trying to wade through this, all you want is a real market with real price discovery. That's what you want if you're a stacker. You understand the magnitude of the price action suppression of precious metals. So you want a real market, quite obviously. With regard to cryptocurrencies, it's the same thing. In my view, cryptocurrencies are also massively suppressed with regard to their price action. And at one point, there will be a real price discovery mechanism behind all this. In the stock market, are you kidding me? The more debt that they keep pumping into this market, the more that the Fed keeps buying here. We got banks like Bank of America yesterday saying, oh yeah, the Fed should be able to buy all corporate debt. Not just a little bit, but all of it. Yeah. All this is the only thing that's keeping stocks from free falling here. But again, that's the mechanism. We have a dead economy with no end in sight. Again, another 2.12 million people lost their jobs and millions more are coming. But no. Stock futures go up. I mean, it's twisted. All right, look, this guy here loves you a lot. Please share the video. Get it out there. See you at my post-market wrap-up.